Did you know Noah's Ark was basically the world's first floating zoo disaster? I mean, forget about building the boat. Imagine managing that chaos. Picture this. Noah's got lions next to lambs, trying to figure out how to feed the carnivores without turning it into an all-you-can-eat buffet. The dude's running around with a shovel dealing with elephant waste, while his family's locked in a floating prison for months. Talk about cabin fever. Then the rain starts. Animals are marching in 2 by 2 like some twisted parade, and boom, God shuts them in. No escape plan, no emergency exit. Just Noah, his family, and every creature on Earth floating while everyone outside is drowning. Heavy stuff. After months of this madness, Noah's sending out birds like, "Please tell me there's land out there because my wife is about to throw me overboard." Finally, they hit dry ground. And what's the first thing Noah does? Gets absolutely hammered on wine. The man basically had to restart civilization with his traumatized family. They all needed serious therapy after that adventure.